I recently ordered these because I wanted some large glass containers for our dinner leftovers, and I wanted ones where we could just put them right in the oven or the microwave, and these you can. These are huge, by the way. So that was 4 cups of water I put in. Altogether, I believe it'll hold 8 cups of water, and the lids snap on so easily. I'm curious though if it's going to leak with all this water in there, and I'm kind of shaking it around, holding it upside down, and nothing is dripping out. So that I am very happy about. And it's also great for meal prepping. We don't like fully meal prep, but sometimes we will cook a bunch of, either stuff on the grill, or like this is just a bunch of quinoa we can throw in different dinners through the week. And again, that lid, so I have some other glass containers, and the lids are a battle to get on. A lot of times I can only close 2 out of the 4 sides, and this very easily snaps on. Here is an example of actually my old container, and you have to really give this thing a good squeeze to get on there, and that's just annoying. This set comes with a 2-pack. The lids are BPA free. If you wanted to freeze these containers, they can actually go in the freezer as well, down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to reheat some dinner from the night before, the glass container can go in the oven up to 450 degrees. The whole container is dishwasher safe, including the lid, which is BPA free, but they do recommend putting the lid up top. The silicone strip around the top of the lid is actually removable, which is nice because if you made like a stinkier, messier dinner, you can get it thoroughly cleaned. And of course, you can throw these in the microwave. Our family will be using these containers weekly.